Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you US Mobile versus Visible. Which is better? Choosing between US Mobile and Visible for the best unlimited data plan really depends on your priorities, whether it's price, performance, or simplicity. US Mobile offers flexible, feature-packed plans across multiple networks, including T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. Their unlimited premium plan provides truly uncapped priority data on Darkstar, unlimited hotspot, built-in roaming, and even 4K streaming. However, it can get a little complex since there are multiple networks and tiers to choose from, and throttling may occur outside the Darkstar network. On the other hand, Visible, powered by Verizon, keep things simple with its Visible, Visible Plus, and Visible Plus Pro plans. This include unlimited data, HD to 4K streaming, hotspot access, and perks like global passes and smartwatch lines. The plans are straightforward with flat rate pricing, though customer support is mainly through chat and there are no family plan discounts. In short, if you want flexibility, premium data priority, and advanced features, US Mobile's Unlimited Premium is your best pick. But if you prefer a simpler, all in one plan with strong Verizon coverage and fewer complications, Visible Plus delivers the best no fuss unlimited experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.